My name is Edward Brian Rosinski. I'm married and I have two boys, 20 and 22 years old. We've led a very active life, backpacking, hiking, bicycling. My boys were in Boy Scouts for 10 years, so I used to lead the backpack trips. As my hips degraded, I had to give that up. I had to hang up my pack, and I haven't been out since, it's been 3 years. So I contacted my company, our medical staff. I work for a company with about 3,000 employees, and I said, is there any option for this outside the country, because that's where the expertise is. Well, my company went to three companies, and Satori was one of them. They chose Satori. I get the advantage of going to one of the top surgeons in the specialty in the world, and through the plan that covers basically everything. There's no out-of-pocket cost. So one of the advantages I see with Satori is I'm not going to have to deal with that. It's kind of like a one-stop shop. These past weeks I've had daily email contact, several phone calls a week with the people at Satori, and they've been very supportive and encouraging, and I'm very positive about the experience. The best doctor at Cleveland Clinic that does BHR, he's done several hundred. Dr. Bose in Chennai, India, has done over 8,000. I asked Satori, with hope that Apollo Hospital and Dr. Bose are in their network, and they were. So that's what put it all together for me. Top doctor, top reputation for the hospital. Satori kind of handles all the details with me, for me, and including my wife, or spouse, or your companion. And it's a good package, so I'm ready to get it done. After the surgery, I anticipate hoping to hike again, walk again, and return to an active lifestyle. Well, I came here to Apollo Specialty Hospital for hip resurfacing. The hospital equipment and the facility is very similar to Western standards. Probably the X-ray equipment is brand new. The radiology equipment was new. The EKG equipment was new. In fact, I actually took a look at all the equipment as I go around. The room is very comfortable. It's up to Western standards. It's big, spacious, easy to get around. It was nice to have room for my wife to come and be with me. I mean, this is where I came to because Dr. Bose is here. He's kind, patient, took time to show me the implements, how they work, what he's going to do. He's got an excellent bedside manner. I'm very impressed with Dr. Bose. Hi, Dr. Bose.
So now you have 2 weeks in surgery, yeah?
Yes.
How have you been keeping? Well?
Yeah, I mean, I still have some pain, but I'm getting stronger every day. So,
right.
Yeah.
You've been walking well?
Yes, I've been walking a lot, actually.
Fantastic, yeah.
Physical therapy was here, and he said I'm doing above average. Yeah, I was in a lot of pain. I felt it all the time.
Right. Okay.
All the time.
You'd enjoy this trip.
Good.
Okay.
All right.
So have a good flight back. Okay.
Good. All right,
I was informed of your progress.
Okay.
It's been a pleasure to know you.
It's a pleasure, yeah. I look forward to coming and seeing you. God bless you. Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Today is 3.5 weeks since my surgery, and I'm feeling well. The doctor told me that at about 3 weeks, the hip pain would really start to subside. Anybody that considers surgery overseas or out of the country has to look at, what are the pros and the cons? Why would you go? I mean, the first thing, of course, is expertise. For the surgery I had, one of the top, probably the top doctor, 2 top doctors in the world that do this are out of the country. One's in Belgium, one's in India. So for me, I was looking for the best. The other motivation, obviously, for someone to go out of the country is cost. My surgery would have been between $50,000 to $100,000 in the USA. My portion would have been about, between $5,000 to $10,000 out of pocket. For our plan, there's no out-of-pocket costs. In fact, I just got the EOB here a week ago from our provider, and it's kind of nice to look at it, and my out-of-pocket was $0. Again, if I had the surgery here in the United States, I'd be getting bills from at least 7 different entities. Overall, my experience with Satori has been very positive. My company chose Satori because they wanted to have kind of a one-stop shop, that kind of handles everything. I always felt connected, and that's really important to me, to feel like you're kind of connected, that someone cares about the details. But overall, the top things, top surgeon, top hospital, The medical care, the nurses, the whole experience was positive, and I'd recommend it to anybody.
First time.